Assalamu alaikum. Well, here we'll see how to convert this iOS app for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Okay. Now currently it has only one folder, which is iOS, and actually two folders, iOS and Android, which runs for both Android and iOS devices. Now here we'll see how to run them on all the platforms. Okay. All right. So to do that, first you need to come to your root folder of your project, and on the terminal, you just type in this one. Now here we are enabling configuration for Mac OS. Okay. Now if you want to do for Linux, then you do Linux, and for Windows you'll write here Windows. Okay. All right. So here we'll just enable it. Okay. All right. So of course we can also do it for Mac. We already did it for Mac, so here we do it for Windows. And but if you just follow one platform, just write your platform's name. Now we'll do it for Linux. Okay. Now as you see, it did some change and it's asking us to restart our editor, and that's what we'll do. So after restarting, here we are, but we don't see any changes yet. So now here we need to run another command. It's called Flutter create and dot. Okay. All right, so it will create folders for us. We'll see soon over here. And then we'll run this command. For Mac OS, we'll run this command. For Windows, you'll just replace Mac OS with Windows. For Linux, you'll replace this with Linux. Now we'll run it. And we see that we have directories here for Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. Okay, all right. Now over here we do see that we have some warnings, but we can ignore them. Now it's building our application for Mac OS. Right now I'm on Mac OS, so this would compile and build and run for Mac OS. But as I said, that whatever your platform is right over here, change that one and you should be good to go. So here we see that our app has loaded and splash screen, and over here it's trying to load the data, and we can go to different pages as we see over here. But of course the UI has not been completely optimized for Mac OS, but you get the idea. So whatever app you have in Flutter, you can definitely convert to other platforms and you are good to go. All right. So yes, so Flutter is a great tool. So absolutely, Flutter is the best tool for building apps for all the devices out there. So you should learn Flutter actually.